When it comes to clover in your lawn, there are different schools of thought of what to do with it. Some people like a clover lawn, and that's becoming more popular, where people only have clover in their lawn, even planting new lawns as clover, such as the clover lawn. Some people don't care that they've got a little bit of clover in there because they like the lawn as it is and it's green, and then some people just don't want clover in their cool season or warm season lawn at all, and that's okay. At the end of the day, it's your lawn, it's your preference, so go and do whatever you want with your yard. But if you're someone who wants to control clover in your lawn, I've got a product today that I was really surprised with that actually worked at controlling the clover, and it's not one of these harsh chemicals you're going to get from the big box store that you have to spray across your whole yard. You can do spot applications with this. Now, there's a caveat there, it's great for small isolated areas like we have here. We have a little bit of clover here, and this is my front lawn. It's kind of like a little bit of a project where I'm doing different tests on this, so it's not a great lawn, but it does have clover in it that we can treat. I'm not sponsored. I bought this product on my own because I saw a bunch of commercials and I wanted to test it out and see if it really worked, and it worked really well on dandelions and it worked really well on clover. So let me show you how well it worked on this little patch here. This is a product we're going to be using. It's Sunday Dandelion Doom. It kills weeds, not lawns, and it kills dandelion, clover, and thistle. Now, I know it works on dandelions. If you want to see that video, I'll leave a link to the description below. And in the clover, we're going to see how well it works today. It comes in bottles like this. You can get different types, but a little handheld sprayer as well. Really easy to use. And where Sunday Dandelion Doom comes in is it's a little bit less harsh on your yard. There's not as many harsh chemicals in here. The active ingredient is just chelated iron. There are other ingredients in there, but they don't really list what they are. But compared to some of the big box store products that have some really harsh chemicals in them, 2,4-D, glyphosate, things like that, this is much safer to be used on your yard. Same rules apply when spraying Sunday Dandelion Doom. Spray it on your lawn, wait till it dries, and then your pets and kids can return to the area. Before anyone even comments saying it has harsh chemicals in there just like everything else in the world. Yes, I know, it does have chemicals in it. Everything has chemicals in it, but it has less harsh chemicals than your typical herbicide that you would get from the big box store or some of those professional grade products that are getting promoted on the internet. The Sunday Dandelion Doom works really well on dandelions, that's why it's titled that way. And in this clover, I was really surprised at how well it worked on clover. Really cool design, really nice design here for the handle. You don't have to pump anything. Turn it on and you can just start spraying. And it's this brown color. So the reason that this is good for spot application is I can get this area right here with relative ease. But what it's not good for is when you have larger area that you want to spray. And that's where Sunday Weed and Green comes in. It's a hose end sprayer, and it works really well on dandelions. It also works really well on clover. So we sprayed this area here right next to the gate, so we can come back here and check this out in a day or so, and we can see how well it worked. But you can see here the liquid, it's on this clover. Maybe I missed a couple in here. That's why it's not the best for doing large areas, but a little spot application like this, it will work wonders on. It's been 24 hours, and just look at these guys here, they're starting to die off. Clearly not a very good spray, and that's why this is better for spot spraying. But you can see here I've got a good view of the clover heads in here that are dying off. This is what the clover looks like after 4 days. It's dead. It's going to go away. After a couple of mows, you won't even know that there was clover here. If you want to get Dandelion Doom for yourself, I'll leave a link to the YouTube shopping tab below. But thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more DIY content around the home, check out this video here next.